The legend here, and you're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. This is one token I want you to check out. It's called Wildfire and was created to help with wildfire cases. And then it says, these days there are fires in different parts of the world and we want to help put out these fires. And how do we prove that the money goes to charity? It said we will send our donation proofs or certificate in our Telegram group. Wildfire was launched recently, and it says the world's first token that was created for wildfires. Let's look at their tokenomics. The number of tokens they've created is 1 quadrillion. They are on the BEP20 token protocol, and also is accessible or available on Binance Smart Chain. And also we can check their liquidity locked proof. Also, 2% tax for buyback mechanism is initiated, and then the contract will automatically buy and burn the tokens with every dip. And this is usually done so that the supply or the number of tokens in the system will decrease. And when that happens, there is value in the coin, the price goes up. Then second of all, marketing and charity, and then the developer, 4% of these things are returned to marketing and charity, and they will enable aggressive marketing and donate wildfire charities, right? And then next one says earn by holding. All community members will receive a share of sales tax. So 4% of purchases and sales will be divided and redistributed among all. So once you hold the token, you have a share in that 4% per transaction spread across board. And then finally, safe and secure. We will lock liquidity pool and add the link in our website, and every donations will be shown to our community. So Wildfire token is being transparent, and you can find the liquidity locked being 30.738%, and then the locked up value is 18,880.41 cents, which is equal to approximately 52.12 BNB. So for the roadmap, they have 4 phases. The first phase, which is the seed, talking about launching with at least 500 Telegram members and small giveaways for community, is being evident and is seen from the number of people on the Telegram group and what is going on there. They have 2,875 members with 221 online, and there are so many things going on there. You'd like to join, I'll leave the link in the description so you can see what's going on the Telegram page. You can see that almost every 10 seconds someone is purchasing this coin. It was just launched on CoinMarketCap and is growing so fast, so I think you would want to pay attention to this. All the while, I'm not a financial advisor. Kindly do your own research in addition to what I show you. They have 5,000 holders, which is so much for a young coin. So I think there's so much room for growth. 1 quadrillion worth of supply for the coin and 30,000 transfers. I think in a short while they will probably have about 100,000 transfers, and you might want to be one of them. Looking at the charts, this is growing. Even at the time of making the video, you can check the market cap. It will be 1 million very soon, so you might want to consider investing. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Here we can see only 178 have it on their watch list. So like I said, it's very, very early for you, and you might want to consider investing. What do you think about this coin? I believe it's going to clear 1-0 very shortly. Now it has dipped, and I think it's an opportunity for you to enter, as seen here with the digits. Right, so let me know your thoughts on this coin, and I'll see you in the next 100x video.